Hey there, budding entrepreneurs and business gurus. You might have heard whispers or perhaps shouts about forming an LLC in Delaware. Well, let's dive deep into that topic and shed some light on what exactly the Delaware Limited Liability Company Act is and why it's creating a buzz. Before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your LLC week after week. First things first, it's worth mentioning that Delaware has established itself as a haven for businesses, both big and small. Now, you might be wondering why Delaware? Let's chalk it up to a couple of things: a business-friendly environment and a well-established body of laws that govern corporations and LLCs. But today, we're zeroing in on the Delaware Limited Liability Company Act. This act is essentially the governing document for LLCs formed in Delaware. It first came to life in the early 90s, 1996 to be precise. Now, what sets this piece of legislation apart is its flexibility. You see, it allows the members of the LLC to structure their company in a way that best suits their needs and business model. Interesting to note is that as of 2021, more than 1.4 million companies were incorporated in Delaware. Now that's a lot, right? It certainly proves the popularity and trust that entrepreneurs have in the Delaware system. Now moving on, one of the standout features of this act is the Internal Affairs Doctrine. This is quite a gem as it allows your LLC to be governed by Delaware law, even if your business operates outside of Delaware. It's like carrying a piece of Delaware with you wherever you go. Pretty cool, right? Also, the Delaware courts are a highlight in themselves. The Chancery Court, to be precise, is well known for its judge-made law tradition, with judges who are experts in corporate law matters. This means that if your LLC happens to be involved in any legal disputes, they will be resolved by judges who are well-versed and experienced in the complexities of business law. Let's also touch upon the privacy aspect. This act offers a greater degree of privacy for members. It allows for the details of the members to be kept off public records, giving you a level of anonymity that can be quite comforting in the business world. Before we wrap up, it's also noteworthy to mention that forming an LLC in Delaware is a pretty swift process through our organization, legalregistration.com. Our dedicated experts have invested in making the incorporation process streamlined and user-friendly, making it quicker to get your business up and running. All right, so there you have it, a casual stroll through the meadows of the Delaware Limited Liability Company Act. If you're thinking of forming an LLC or perhaps looking to shift gears with your existing one, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion on the Delaware Limited Liability Company Act? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.